Hey everybody, welcome back to another Impure video. Today I will teach you how to run the TGA and TMA, referring to this lab manual. First thing you want to do when you are going to use the TGA is turn on the nitrogen. And you also want to turn on the air if you're using air, but for this experiment we only use the nitrogen, so you want to turn on nitrogen. This valve and this valve right here. Your instrument in the thermal analysis suite, you want to turn on the nitrogen. My sample will be this rice grain right here. You want to take your forceps, pick it up, and put it in a pan. You want to put your pan in a certain pan number. For this experiment, I'm going to put it in number 1. Okay, now you want to make sure the pan is following these grooves. So I'm going to turn it, and it's following these grooves like this, so it can be picked up by the hook. So now you want to sign in with your credentials and hit trios. You want to go and connect to the TGA. So I'm going to repeat that. Once you hit trios, it's going to pop up. This pop-up screen is going to show. You're going to click on the TGA picture and hit connect. This is going to connect you to the Trio software that you use for TGA. Your software, and you want to name your sample. For this experiment, I'm using the TGA. It is brown rice. And I'm using a nitrogen environment. My final temperature will be 200. My heating rate will be 20 degrees per minute. And today's date is 12/04/2023. Now that you named your sample, you want to place the pan number that you placed your pan. Keep the pan type as platinum. Put in your name, then choose your procedure. For this experiment, we're doing a ramp test, but there can be a temperature verification, heat and hold, or stepwise isothermal test as well. Now choose your parameters for testing. My testing parameters is going to be heating rate at 20 degrees per minute, and the final temperature will be 200. Now, make sure to check that your nitrogen is flowing and that you chose nitrogen gas. If you want to use air, you click on air and make sure the air is on. But for this experiment, we're only using nitrogen. Once you have chosen your parameters, you're going to hit right click and hit copy to running queue. Now hit start. Now TGA will collect the pan with your sample inside and start the test. Now your sample will be placed on the hook. The tray will move back and the furnace will come up to finish the test. Okay, once the test is done, you should get a graph similar to this or similar to what you researched for your sample. Now you want to let the machine cool till it gets to room temperature. Okay, once the machine has cooled down, the furnace will drop and they will place your sample back into the tray. Done. Analyze your results. Export it if you need to. Come to the instrument and click on furnace. This is going to push the furnace up, and this is how you want to keep the TGA when you're done with it. Always have the furnace up. Okay. Now that the furnace is up, you want to turn off the nitrogen. Close out the software. Okay, now you can sign out or leave it like this, and the TGA is now back to where you found it. Thank you for watching another Impure video. If you have any questions, refer to Dr. Brown Fox or the lab manual. Thank you.